Adobe launches generative AI tools aimed at marketers. Generative. Well, this is exactly what we're talking about. I mean, it ain't Trump, but it's the other side of it. So social media and marketing, how I was suggesting that these tools were going to influence permanently the way that we approach these tasks. Coinciding with the launch of Firefly family of generative AI models, Adobe today unveiled Adobe Sensei generative AI. Well, they're scrambling. They're like, holy crap. People are, all this image-based stuff, are they going to interact with our products the same way? All these subscriptions we have and all the ways in which we generate revenue. Mm-hmm. Generative AI services, or Sensei Gen AI for short, leverages a combination of AI tech, including Adobe's own large language models and the Azure OpenAI service, to perform a range of marketing and sales tasks. Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service launched in 2021, giving custom-tailored access to models from AI Lab OpenAI, including ChatGPT, GPT-4, and text-to-image generator DALL-E 2. So that's your integration. Mm-hmm. So you're going to have probably text-to-image, which is the thing we've been talking about a lot. Generative AI services will power dynamic chat, Adobe's marketing-focused chatbot solution, and in Journey Optimizer, generative AI services will create audience segments for personalization campaigns. Oh my goodness gracious. The models with generative AI services will also generate captions in customer journey analytics for visualizations like cohort tables and fallout charts, providing text-based top-line takeaways for enterprise customers.
Like magazines, pamphlets.
End-to-end marketing
brochures.
Workflows, dramatically improving enterprise productivity and efficiency.
Efficiency.
Yeah, it's just like buzz, buzz, bzz, we got it all. And then they got the charts after, and they're like, look, productivity increased by, Over the past few months, agencies contracted by Heinz, Nestle, Bacardi-owned Martini & Ross, and Patron have launched ad campaigns using imagery created by text-to-image systems such as OpenAI's DALL-E 2 and Midjourney. In just February, Coca-Cola inked a deal with OpenAI to leverage the company's text-writing ChatGPT DALL-E 2 to craft ad copy, images, and personalized messaging. It works faster and cheaper than humans.
Yeah. And
all of a sudden, you have 700 different versions, and you get to A/B test all of them across all your different ad real estate, across all your different social media. And all of a sudden, the humans who used to do these things seem antiquated.
Yeah. I'm curious. I'm going to try it out.